Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your email on your Cash App. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that in this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to not save all this money, click on Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find it in this video description. I highly recommend this subscription because it can save you a lot of money and you can cancel it anytime. As you can look right here in this video, as you can look on the description, like you're gonna see the Amazon Prime trial link right there on the center. So, and I highly recommend it because it's a huge privilege that you can cancel like anytime. So I'll check it out. Now let's get back to video. Like I said, I'll show you how to remove your email on your Cash App. First, we'll start by opening up the Cash App. Once you get on this main screen right here, look on the upper right hand corner. You're gonna see like a profile icon right there, like a person or little person inside there, a picture, a circle with a dot inside. Make sure you select on that one, and you're gonna get on this main screen right here. Once you get on this main screen right here, select on personal, where you're gonna see personal right there. So you're gonna get right here on this screen, and once you get in this screen right here, select your email right there. Then they're gonna say remove your email, and make sure you click on that remove your email. And that's how you remove your email from your Cash App. If you have any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find it's in this video description. And as I said, I highly recommend it because you save you a ton of money. So thank you for watching.